Hi, welcome to Lights, Camera, Nothing. We're making mummies for Halloween, because reasons. So I'm going to take this lovely sheet we got from the thrift store and destroy it, and then dye it funny colors. And wrap it around my head so I can't breathe anymore. So we're going to take it, we're going to cut some little thingies at the top so we can make our strips sort of even, and then we're just going to rip it. Take this. I'll leave it with you. So after you've destroyed your sheets, and not in a fun way, well, it was kind of fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah. You make a big pile on the floor. Now you have to dye them with your choice of tea. We're doing Earl Grey, so we smell nice as being dead. Alright, now that our water is boiling...
Oh my god, did you seriously just do that?
Yep. We add a little bit of salt.
Oh my god.
A little bit of impure white vinegar. I learned this from Cinderella and YouTube. Some sand of thyme, just a little, and 3 evil tea bags. Orange Pico. And we let that steep for about 3 minutes after we start with our magic wand.
Good thing we don't use this salt much.
Must be stirred with magic wand. Results may vary. Alright, now that our magic tea has steeped for long enough...
Has it?
I have no idea. We shall slowly add our rags that will eventually bring our mummy to life. Blurred. Come on, Wandy. Blurp, blurp, blurp.
Hi. Hi, baby.
Oh, we're already in there.
No, I sweeped it up.
Now that our mummy wraps have done steeping, we'll transfer them to a big bowl and rinse them off a bunch of times. She packed my bags last night, pre-flight, 0 hour, 9 a.m. And I'm gonna be high as a kite by then. Welcome to Lights, Camera, Nothing. This is some more...
What the hell are you... You're creeping me out. Continue.
This is the Are You My Mummy edition. So we're going to be making our mummy for Halloween. I'm the mummy. You're a mummy. Everybody's a mummy.
I should have put my gas mask on.
You should have. That's what I was thinking. This round we're going to do my feet. They're down there. Up to my torso. We'll do the arms after in the same way. And then the head. This is not fetishy unless you're into this. Then it's fetishy.
How the hell do I get this out?
Let's do this. Cue the Benny Hill theme. We'll fix that later. Ooh, before I'm fitting. My phone's in there.
Good thing nobody calls you.
I have no friends.
You have no friends.
No
I'm your
friends.
only friend.
No. Oh, we gotta probably do this.
Yeah.
This really kind of puts things in perspective. Now we are ready for the duct tape. We are going to some. I need my stool back. We'll do the feet first. This one's open. I'm part of a teamwork.
End of the line. So that's 3 things of duct tape so far.
Alright, now we gotta draw lines. I'll turn around so you can see.
This on me.
Ooh! I can dance like Morticia Adams now.
Alright, so the line all the way down, and then I do
down
the
to about there.
down to the butt.
Yeah.
To there.
Yep. And then I shall emerge and then across the shoulder blades.
Right about here.
A little lower.
Here. And across. Snip, snip. Look, we've got a nice skin.
What's that neat sound?
This is weird. So sweaty.
Alright, we're gonna let our skin dry, and we'll be back with more. How do we get out here? Anyways, here we have our mummy cocoon. With head, with arms. We're actually going to shove a 2x4 inside him. I got a couple wires here to close the arms so they stay where they're supposed to. So essentially, we're going to stuff them and put them together. And then we'll paint him, then we'll wrap it, in theory. Yeah, let's go. So I shoved a 2x4 inside him. Check out this figure. Look at them calves. So now we just have to stuff, wire, and attach the arms and attach his head. Looks familiar? As you attach the arms, you can take this opportunity to make your mummy super buff. Because this is me, and it's got this gut thing. I don't like it. So by now, your homeless person has stopped struggling. I mean, your mummy's stuffed. This is what it would look like if it was dead and wrapped up in duct tape. So now that your homeless person is painted completely white, I've got some spray adhesive here, I've got our bandages, let's start wrapping. Well, I'd say that's mummy enough for me. Maybe I'll give him a little crown, some wrist things. He's gonna have skeleton hands, we'll just chop those in there. I might cut out his face and put a skull in there. Cut out his face. But this homeless guy, I mean, stuffed dummy is done. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Tune in for more. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff for Halloween.